Hello everyone, still at Phoenix 3D Metaal, and after visiting the tool shop, after visiting the engineering department, we turned digital world into the real world, and we are in the room of the goodies. You can see a really big overview of all different kind of products that actually Phoenix 3D produces. Products that can go from this kind of size and thickness, so you can see a very miniature of a die and punch, to all different kind of sizes of this your production basically lot. Many parts you can see over here. There's something familiar over here. We will be back at it. You can see some sink over here. You may have found this in some airport probably. Some cart, we will be talking about this a little bit. You have seen maybe this in the frame of a slot machine. We can see some heat exchanger. I mean, tons of different kind of parts, so really kind of different from the typical automotive industry. Now, I'm still here with Rudy. Rudy, you were mentioning before some really nice story about, for instance, this part over here. What happened, for instance, because I found it really interesting.
Well, first of all, when we step into this room, every product had its own story. So we can't stop telling. So it's good that you just chose one. For instance, this one. This is carton protection for under a truck, and we were working on this for a customer, and we were working only on the mid part of it, because originally this was designed as a steel mid part and two plastic sides. Then we came across the file of the assembly and realized that the total product would fit in our machine. So we suggested that to make it as one piece. The customer went for it, so we made it this way. And in the end, the total cost of investment for our tooling was lower than the investment for the tooling of the plastic part itself. So for the customer, we did something good.
Something good. He saved money, yeah, because of course you have to have also the dies for these two parts. Even you have to produce it in plastic. Yeah, well, that was great for the customers. And then, as I said, we have seen already this part on the screen in the digital world. But as I said, as digital has to turn into reality, here is the part that you have seen in video, in the second video of this series, that we were talking about spring back, severe spring back. You can see it over here that actually works once it's in its position, right? Is there anything particular that you want to mention regarding the production of this part?
Well, what we're talking about before, when we always, when we get the first file of a customer, we have a discussion of what is possible and what is not possible, and what will happen, showing our simulations. In this particular case, the original file was designed in a inner radius and an outer radius with the same sharpness. So when we put it through our simulation, we can see that with the pressure we have with the rubber pad forming, the outer radius will always be bigger than the inner radius. In this case, we asked the customer, well, we can achieve a sharp radius here, but it will take an extra process step and make the product more expensive. So in the end, it was decided to not have the sharp corner here, and making the process and the product cheaper.
So basically you changed the process, if I got it right, based on the outcome of your feasibility at the end. So one, let's say one step less, or one operation less than what actually you needed if you wanted to have the sharper radii here. Yeah? Well, that's great. So that's what the software is about. That's what these professional people are doing with our software. So I want to thank you, and also Bernard, that is not with us now, for hosting me, first of all, for showing me what you guys doing, which is really amazing. And for all of you, this is the third video of a series. There have been another 2 videos. If you didn't take a look at that, please go there and check it, because you're gonna see from the tool shop, from the engineering to the reality, how Phoenix 3D Metaal works with AutoForm and works in general. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.
Thank you.